Not Benny yet. No kupi sa hodi.
Oh, you're not Benny yet?
No.
Okay.
That's not that video yet.
Okay. All of the sudden it's not fun anymore? Huh? You don't want to be Benny, huh?
Not by the lady stuff.
Oh.
Que hora tá mais me gente merdia à tarde à noite of madrugada.
This doesn't sound good. This doesn't sound good.
As which one of your favorite desserts would you describe, Jenny? That first question was definitely a nasty question, but go on.
And this is the second part of that nasty question.
Yes.
That spacey question.
Welcome back to my channel.
What's so good about it?
It is good because we are alive, we have another day, and we are blessed because we have food on the table.
Okay.
So, welcome back to my channel, amiga. It's your girl, Jennyfer Ross. By the time you're seeing this, it is Vlogmas. So, happy Vlogmas. Say happy Vlogmas to the amigas, Penny.
Happy Vlogmas to the amigas.
And we are all dressed up in yellow today because today we are doing a video in which we eat yellow foods for 24 hours, or at least a day, you know, one day. So yeah, how do we feel about this challenge, Benny?
How do you feel about it? I have to do it.
Yeah, well, I feel great about it. I think we're gonna slay this. Don't you think so?
I hope so.
I think we're gonna slay this. And of course I'm dragging him along.
That's my coffee.
Yes, you can have your coffee. Even the coffee is yellow today, like look. Oh, here you go. So yeah, we're gonna get started with breakfast. Who's gonna make breakfast? Am I gonna make breakfast or are you gonna make breakfast? Okay. Then yeah, okay. Then I'm gonna start making breakfast for us, and yeah, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel. And let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, so for breakfast we are having eggs. And I'm also gonna make like a cheese sandwich, and we're putting like the egg on top. So it's gonna be like a very nice and yellow breakfast. Let's start by scrambling up the egg. Grilled cheese is now in the little griller. Excited for breakfast. By the way, I'm also getting my nails done today because that ain't it, but not in a yellow color. Oh.
Thank you, Jenny.
You're welcome. And this is our drink. Pineapple, melon, mango, and maracuya, whatever the hell that is.
Cheers.
Bon appetit!
Bon appetit.
All right, breakfast time. Let's do a little taste test, even though, how weird can this taste?
So today's video is not going to be me telling y'all to delete your Instagram or anything like that. I think it's still one of the most powerful platforms you can use to get your name out there and build your brand. That's what we're talking about today. So you can use the rest of the year in
It's not like I didn't have this combination before, so.
Instagram world that we're living in. Entire creative career off Instagram. I mean, go from nobody to somebody in a relatively short amount of time. That's how you do some dating. Went ahead and picked up new GoPro 9. My GoPro is on its last leg, so it's time to switch it out. So I want to take back
That's
just
good,
a
though.
little bit of what I just got done saying. I never want to say something that's impossible. So
Anyway, gonna have my breakfast and
blow up and build a career on
enjoy it. Alright, that breakfast was, of course, like, it's not that special, eggs, cheese, and bread, but it was good. And this juice, if you live in the Netherlands or Belgium, go try it. It is good. It is good. And we have another bottle in the fridge, so we got to have that maybe later. But now I think I'm gonna set up a little photo shoot. I'm gonna put my plate in the kitchen. Look, let's go. So we're gonna set up this white backdrop to do like a little photo shoot, and then after that I'm off to go get my nails done. Sweet. It's time for a little photo shoot. Let me put you here. I'm now at the bus stop. I'm waiting for the bus to go get my nails done. The photo shoot was really fun. I really enjoyed it. Hopefully there are a few like pictures that I can use. Benny said that he was gonna color correct a few and then send them to me so that I'm able to post them. So hopefully that works out, but we will see. And yeah, now on to go get my nails done. I don't know if I will be able to film it today. We'll see, but I'll check in with you in a little bit. Amiga, I finished getting my nails touched up. They look good again, and now I'm gonna go and get the bus to head back home. So yeah, and it's time for a snack. I think as soon as I get home, I'm gonna get a snack. I'm so excited. So we're heading home now. your girl is back home. I got my nails done. They are red, another shade of red, because Vlogmas, you know, it's the holidays are coming up. This is a way more appropriate color. Would have been fun if I did yellow, but I didn't, so we're not gonna talk about that too much. I got a chai tea latte from me and Benny, and I also got a lemon slice cake, whatever, maybe for later. We might even have to do tomorrow, because like I have so many things that I actually got for this video. I don't know if we're gonna be able to finish everything. So maybe we'll also do like, you know, a little bit longer than 24 hours like of eating the yellow foods. We'll see. But for now I am going to make some banana pancakes because I just came back. And I also have a video that I need to edit. The banana pancakes are yellow. They're gonna be easy to make and something quick that I can eat while I edit. So yeah, let's go ahead and make that. Then I like to add 2 cups of my pancake mix. This is the one that I'm using. One cup of milk, 1 bag of vanilla sugar, teeny tiny bit of vanilla essence, pancakes are done. This is for Benny and this one is mine. Benny's currently at work, but I know how much he loves them, so I thought I would save him some for later or tomorrow whenever he wants to have them, because I'm also gonna make dinner later. But yes, I'm gonna like put some syrup on, some maple syrup on top, and then I'm ready to eat them. Or should I do honey? I think that's gonna be too sweet. I'm gonna do maple syrup. Hold on. This is the maple syrup that I have. Drizzle some on top. Ooh, that's good. Look at that. Ooh, 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 ooh. Right, amiga, let's do a little taste test. It's already starting to get dark outside, so I had to get my ring light. But pancakes, get the syrup on it. Amiga, I wish you could taste this. This is so good. Like, look at that. Try this recipe. It's so good. You can really taste the banana. Super, super good. And then as my drink, I'm having the Sourcely vitamin water with lemon and cacti. I think that's what it's called. And I have a yellow reusable straw. Let me try it. It really tastes like water. It's okay, but it's more like a water infused with those things. But it was yellow, so I thought I would get it. It's okay, it's okay. It tastes really fresh and watery, which I'm fine with, you know. You shouldn't have too much sugar anyways. Love this. Okay, I'm gonna finish eating this, amiga, edit, and then I'll see you maybe for a snack. Maybe I'll see you for a snack, maybe. I finished editing my video. I'm now gonna watch it before I process it and upload it. And in the meantime, I'm gonna snack. And these are the two chips that I have to choose from. I have the Cheetos and also the Piper's cheddar and onion. This is such an OG, but I think I'm gonna go with this one since it's new. So I'm gonna eat some of that while I watch my video before I can upload it. Look in the bag. It's so nice and yellow. Mmm. That is so good. Mmm. Delicious. Let me quickly do a thumbnail. Anyways, let me watch this video because it's 30 minutes, upload it, and then start dinner. Alright, amiga, it is now time to start with dinner. I actually need to do the dishes first, but I think I'm gonna prep the chicken. And oh, I didn't even tell you what I'm gonna make. So I'm gonna make a chicken potato curry with yellow rice. It's yellow. So I'm so excited for this meal. It's gonna be delicious. Let's waste no time. My video is still uploading, so in the meantime I'm gonna start cooking so that I can have dinner ready when Benny is home. So yeah, let's get started.
I've been thinking, you don't really know a thing about you and I.
And up next is washing the chicken with vinegar. Gotta make sure it's clean, you know. So we're gonna start off with one of these things. Let me mix it around. Make sure the whole chicken is coated in this. Then I like to add a little bit of garlic and a little bit of paprika. And a little bit of chili, but this is ground chili. Alright, and now we mix it up. I add a little bit of cumin. Just eyeball this all the time. That much, not too much. Mix that up in there as well. Also do like some of this Surinamese masala. Ooh. That's good enough. We mix that in there too. I'm gonna set this to the side, let it work its way into the chicken. Alright, amiga, I finished with my video and now I need to hurry up because Benny already finished working, so food is not gonna be ready in time. So I'm just gonna do this and do a little time lapse. I hope you don't mind. Here I got all my veggies. I got tomato, onion, and potatoes. Of course, these are not yellow, but I mean, come on. Look who's home!
Who's home?
You are! Hi, Benny!
Hi, Jenny.
We be matching! How do you like our yellow sweaters?
I hate it.
No, you don't.
Everything is so sunny, yellowish.
But it's nice because the weather was so great today.
It was great?
Yeah.
No, there was sun when I was going to work.
Really?
So let's go. Let's eat.
Okay.
What are we eating?
What are we eating? Let me show you. Today we have yellow rice. And we have a chicken, potato, chickpea, and corn curry.
But if the theme is yellow today, why is the sauce not yellow?
It was yeah, gele, how was it called again? Gele curry. But when I looked into the back, it looked a little red. So I don't know if I didn't maybe add too much, enough water or what it is. But yeah, it looks a little orange. But the bag said that it was yellow. Yellow curry paste.
Okay.
So, yeah. But anyways, this is the food. This is the final food. Here we have chicken, potato, corn, chickpeas, and a lot of delicious sauce.
Okay.
So are you excited?
Always.
All right. Do you want it on a plate or do you want it in a bowl?
What do you prefer?
I think I want it on a plate.
All right, there we go. On a plate.
A plate? Yeah, I want a plate. Or should we do bowls?
Make up your mind, girl.
Yeah, we're gonna do bowls because we also have like other snacks that we need to try. And yeah, I think that's a better idea.
2 bowls.
2 bowls. Like maybe I should use like another thing to put this rice in the bowl. This is your bowl. Tell me when to stop. And be careful with this because I don't want this to get on me. So this is what it looks like. So what do you want to drink?
That good juice from this morning.
Yeah, okay. That's a good idea. We put this on the table for us. Alright, Benny. Alright, Benny. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
I am so full, so we're picking back up tomorrow with snacks and maybe another breakfast. Another yellow breakfast. I'm now having a cup of tea. It is chamomile tea. Let me show you. Yeah, I'm having this tea. It's also yellow, I promise. But yeah, I'm now just gonna chill on my computer. And I'll see you tomorrow.
Akiratu. Tekiratu.
Tekiratu. Good morning, amiga. It is now the next day. We are about to have another yellow breakfast, and then after that we're gonna try a few snacks that we didn't end up having yesterday because we had too much. I was so full, Benny too, after dinner that we didn't even have dessert or anything. So we're gonna do that today. And now I'm gonna wait for breakfast to be done. When is breakfast gonna be done?
In a bit.
In a bit? What is in a bit?
In a bit.
Say good morning to the amigas.
Good morning, amigas.
Good morning. Christmas tree is up. Love it, love it, love it. I love it. All right, amiga. While Benny fixes the breakfast, I thought it would be fun to do a little unboxing with you because I ordered some stuff for this video and it didn't come in time. It came in yesterday late because the mail services here in Belgium are just working around the clock to get everybody their packages. But it's finally here and I'm really happy that it is. So I'm gonna show it to you. You will see it come pass by on my Instagram. Hold on. It is something for me and for Benny. Benny's isn't yellow, but I'm gonna still show it to you. Look at that. It's like Converse shoes. Like his has a very cool like red line. Really nice. Hopefully we get to go on vacation soon and we can get to wear our shoes when we're on vacation, or maybe even during this. It's very Christmas appropriate in my opinion. So you might even be able to wear it for Christmas. If it's not snowing or raining and that type of stuff. Then next is mine. Mine comes in a gray box. And first thing up is a dust bag. And then here is my shoe. I thought the yellow was so cool, really out of my comfort zone and like super cool. So yeah, I got these sneakers to wear with my yellow sweater. I will still wear it, but not today because I am not really going anywhere today. Comes with two ties. Is it ties? By the way, my neighbor upstairs is like doing like some construction, so I'm sorry if you can hear that. But it comes with blue ties and white ties. And yeah, that's it. That's it for my little unboxing. Super happy with my new shoes. Okay, I'm out of here. Here is my grilled cheese. And in it, it has cheese and also egg. So, a cooked egg. Look at that.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing.
With breakfast also comes a little yellow pudding. So I'm now gonna eat my pudding while I still wait for my coffee.
They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. I'm frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night.
So amiga, it is now time to try the last snacks. Maybe not all of them, but at least a few. I suggest we start with the banana eclair. Or we both of us can choose one thing.
Yes, you
Okay.
choose that. I want this.
What do you want?
I want that.
The cake? We have banana eclairs and also lemon cake from Starbucks. Let me open this up. And these two will be for another time. Let's see. Ooh. Is this what they look like? Is it good?
Is het lekker?
It's good.
Het kan nooit lekker zijn.
Can you speak English, please?
It can be sweet.
Why not?
It doesn't look tasty at all.
It is good. It tastes the same as the chocolate eclairs that you buy me sometimes. But then it's banana. That's good. It's good.
I don't believe that is good.
You need to try one. Why not?
I'll try this one.
You didn't.
Yes, I did.
When?
I did.
Really?
Yeah.
Yo, I like these. They're good.
Why are you lying?
I'm not lying. They are good.
Okay.
It's good. I want you to try it. Di ko na.
I'm good.
Alright, should we answer like the last questions?
What last questions?
From ABC Lady Stuff? So acting like...
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
By the way, I asked you guys on Instagram and also on my Facebook, what did you think this video was about? A lot of people thought it was an outfit video. Somebody said, Alvin Gottfried said, you're like you're about to drop a new album. Well, I cannot sing to save my life, so no. Nadushi D Zany also asked like a try-on vlog, but no. Benny rates your outfits.
This one is a 1.
Why? Why, do you hate it?
No, I know. I'm just kidding.
Okay. A shoot maybe, or a haul. We did do a shoot. And we did a mini haul. So bringing old school colors back to life.
Is this an old school color?
Maybe, I don't know. Do you think so?
I don't know.
Did you used to wear like a lot of yellow as a kid?
No.
No? Being Benny for a day? I think that would be so funny to do.
And I can be Jenny for a day?
Yeah.
Then I can finally go in ABC's Ready to Talk. Let's do that one. You are Benny for one day and I'm Jenny in for one day. You need to give me all the passwords and shit, you know, so I can, you can't log anything, you know, so, yes! Who wrote that one? Who's idea?
Jeneline Tomasa.
Very good one. Very good one. Thank you. Thank you.
Dios mío.
Lucky can't say nothing now. Since I'm gonna be Jenny for one day.
Alright. Alright. Well, there were a few
And when
questions.
I'm Jenny for one day and I'm in lady stuff, then Benny can come and translate for me.
No! Why does Benny translate? Benny doesn't speak Pavimento.
Benny, he should try.
No?
Yes, Benny. Come on, Benny.
I don't think I can do that when I'm Benny.
Hey, you need to do it, right? It was a.
Listen, does Benny normally speak Pavimento?
But he reads
Yes.
and he tries to like translate it. So yeah, I really love the person that came up with that idea. Finally, let's do it this weekend. Ready to stop, here I come. Benny, hurry up.
I'm not Benny yet. This is not the video yet.
I'm practicing. Wat is het gezet?
Het is op ABC Lady Stuff.
Ah, ze hebben het wel gehad. Ik zei dat ABC Lady Stuff niet van je houdt, toch?
Oh my god. Here are the last questions from the picture that I posted a while ago on ABC Lady Stuff.
They know. Just move on. Move on.
And there were a few questions that we didn't answer.
Benny, move on, Benny.
I'm not Benny yet. No, Kopi Sahodi.
Oh, you're not Benny yet?
No,
Okay.
that's not that video yet.
Okay.
Okay?
How do you act so irritated? Because you don't want to be Benny? Huh? All of the sudden it's not fun anymore? Huh? You don't want to be Benny,
So
huh?
not about the lady stuff.
I'm going to lady stuff when I'm Jenny.
Okay.
Okay? I'm even gonna wear your clothes and these earrings and everything. I'm gonna be there. I'm even going live. That's how crazy I will be that
Okay,
day.
maybe that's the day that you will go live in lady stuff then.
Yes,
All
I'm
right.
going to Ladies Redu. Let's go. Oh, wait a minute. I was gonna stop calling them that. Yes.
That day you're gonna do redo in lady stuff, no?
Of course. It's gonna be bombashi.
Okay, Shetty Legito asked a question and I'm like, what are you asking, girl? Que hora tá mais me hinte merdia à tarde à noite of madrugada?
This doesn't sound good. This doesn't sound good. Sounds like some bombashi.
Yeah, when do you like it? In the morning?
You see? I knew it.
In the afternoon or at night? What are you asking? What are you asking, girl?
Yeah, what are you asking? What are you asking?
But what is your favorite part of the day? Just your favorite part of the day.
Kiko?
But which part of the day is your favorite?
Kiko? I love night. The not night.
The nighttime? Anoche.
What is anoche? Na 12 uur.
The nighttime.
Yeah, nighttime.
You like nighttime?
Yeah, when it's
quiet.
Quiet.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. My favorite part of the day would be
Morning.
yeah, the morning part.
But she's very annoying in the morning.
Yes, because then I got my coffee
See, she's annoying.
that he makes for me. So yeah, my favorite part.
I'm gonna
of the
stop
day.
making it.
No, you're not gonna
I'm
stop.
gonna make it at night for you when you can't have it.
Shetty Legito also asked Benny, qual di bottuccio favorito nambo por describir Jenny? Benny, as which one of your favorite desserts would you describe Jenny? That first question was definitely a nasty question, but go on.
And this is the second part of that nasty question.
Yes.
That spacey question.
Favorite dessert?
Raspberry cheesecake.
Okay, from Starbucks.
Yes, from Starbucks.
Yes.
And since they are closed, we can't get it now.
Yeah, but I got you some yesterday. It's in the fridge.
Okay. How did you get it? Move on with the nasty spacey question.
Quarta was a date favorite. Oh no, Jenny, what would you do with $1 million?
She would sell me.
No, I wouldn't. I'm keeping you forever, ever. I would buy a house in the Caribbean, in Curacao, and also one in Suriname. And I would do like a co-living in Suriname and Curacao. And also I would help my family out wherever they need it. And you?
I would move out.
You would move out?
Mm-hmm.
Move out to where?
You wouldn't have to know that. Because I'm moving out alone.
Oh wow!
Oh wow! Come on, come on. I'm buying a house in Curacao.
You're buying a house in Curacao?
Yeah.
Okay. To the at the beach or where?
In the hills.
In the hills?
So I can see the sea.
Mm.
Sunset and sunrise.
Boy got plans. Qual estava a vossa date favorito? What was your favorite date?
Floors.
Yes, that was our first date. And yes, I would agree. I would agree. Another date that I also liked, the second one, just to give a second one, was the date when we went to the Rambla in Spain.
Oh
the
yeah,
two of us.
that was also
When
fun.
we were on vacation, we didn't
I
vlog.
think every time this question comes, we have another answer.
Yeah, that's true. That is true, but I like that day too.
Alright.
Yeah?
Alright.
Where you have like this, a can this big of sangria, and then you were like, I'm gonna bring us home safe, Jenny. Oh, I'm sorry to put out your business out there.
Your amigas are gonna think that I'm un payaso.
No, but you just had fun.
Yes, okay. Move on with the funny questions.
And he drank it, and then
Hey, we're done with that story. Move on.
when he stood up, he was like, ooh.
Yeah. Yeah, they know.
Okay. Tizian Matilda, ¿qué cosa lo que más Benny te gusta digo como persona? What do you like most about me as a person? No así leuk.
Oh, your personality.
Yeah.
She's kind and yeah, caring. Alright.
Okay. Kiko por pone Benny rabia. What makes you angry?
Jenny makes me angry. See, Jenny makes me angry.
No, but what really makes you angry?
I don't know.
What will really make you angry?
I think it depends on my mood that day. There can be things that I really can't tolerate now, but if I'm in a bad mood, it can just annoy me instantly.
Yeah, but that's annoying. But like get super pissed off.
Yeah, like the day in the train.
Oh yeah.
But I think that if it was a normal day,
Yeah.
then I wouldn't get so angry at the guy.
Okay.
But the whole day was already like.
It's a build-up situation for him. It takes a lot to really get him angry. But like, if like one little thing happens and then another thing on top and then another thing and then there just comes a point that he explodes and then that is bad. But then shortly after, I can say one thing and we both start laughing. So it's never like for a very long time or something.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah. Kisha Noir. Qua ta bene su cantica favorito, anche non sa acaba diz pecante a trove. What is Benny's favorite song? I think we know, but I just want to hear him sing it again.
I'm not gonna sing it because people are complaining to Jenny that we are saying a lot of nasty things, but
we're not gonna.
That one song from Mustaman.
Yeah, he likes that song. Do you have other?
Hey, but listen.
Yeah.
Let the amigas comment songs in the comments, then I'm gonna listen to them because I don't know a lot of
Antillean songs.
Yes.
Okay. Amiga, comment
like
your favorite song in
comment.
the comment section down below.
And then I'm gonna listen.
Yes, we're gonna do that in the next vlog.
Why should it be in a vlog?
Why not?
All right.
They can see your reaction to their favorite song.
Ear size.
Ear size.
And I also listened to one song of Cache one long time ago. But I don't know a lot of songs.
Okay. And Juega Limpio from
Yes.
what squad again?
Diva Squad.
Diva Squad. That's also what he likes. He sings that the whole day. Juega Limpio, Juega Limpio.
Kaki. Figo.
Hey.
Let's go.
Yes, that is the final question, Benny.
You didn't forget anybody this time?
No, I don't think so. Oh wait, there was this girl that sent me. Yes, Gisha Kat also had a question. If we ever had a photo shoot together. Did we ever have a photo shoot together?
Our own one or with a professional?
With a professional.
No.
No, but we did have a lot of photo shoots together. And also our friend Dana makes pictures of us like when we're together a lot.
Yeah.
So that's a photo shoot. But we never had a photo shoot with a professional photographer. He has though with someone else. What?
Okay, amiga. It was fun having you guys. It was fun having you guys with us this time.
That's a good story to tell.
And see you guys in the next video.
Hello?
Jenny needs to go to work. And you know, we got limpio, okay? Tekiratu. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and comment in the comment section. No thumbs down because Jenny is getting a lot of flack for that.
Yes.
So thumbs up in the comment section. Thumbs up, like, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video, okay?
Until next time, stay in the holiday